we have to solve this inequality. X squared is greater than 2x plus 14. To do this, first we're going to move all the terms to one side. So you see I have negative 2x minus 14 is greater than or equal to 0. Then I'm going to find the roots of this polynomial by setting it equal to 0. And you can see we can't factor this polynomial, so we have to use the quadratic formula. And I've plugged in my a, b, and c values of 1, negative 2, and negative 14 right here. And so if you do the simplification and the calculation, you're going to get x equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 60 over 2. Now, this could be our solution. You can see it would be 2 plus the square root of 60 over 2 and 2 minus the square root of 60 over 2. But we could actually simplify the square root of 60 into 2 times the square root of 15. And now we can see we have 2, 2, 2. We can divide everything by 2 and simplify that even further to 1 plus or minus the square root of 15. This is the same number as we had originally. And you can see they have these two approximate values of x. So these are the two roots of the polynomial. And so where they're equal to 0 at these 2 points. So it gives us 3 regions where this function could be positive or negative. And so we can actually plug in a value, say like negative 5, that's to the left of this, and you're going to get a positive value if you plug it back into this equation here. If you plug it in value like 0 in between, that's going to give you a negative value, and you plug in a value greater than this, like 5 or 10, it's going to give you a positive value. Remember, it has to be greater than or equal to 0, so these are our two solutions. X is less than negative 2.87, approximately, or the exact values here, and x is greater than 4.87, or the exact value here. And you can think of this graphically. Think of a parabola like this that opens up, has a positive leading coefficient, and has roots here and here, the roots we found. When is it greater than 0? You can see it's this region and this region, not the region in the middle.